Hey everybody, it's Mike here. Welcome to the channel. Well, the other day I posted a video on how to create this letter H using lines and curves, right? And I received a comment saying, hey, that can be done way faster. And I'm aware of that. It can be done way faster. It can actually be done in less than a minute, right? And the reason why I didn't show you that method is because the whole video was about lines and curves. That was kind of the point, okay? But just to be complete, I'll show you the quick method as well. And what we're going to do is we're going to take a file, we're going to turn it into an SVG or a vector file, and that will allow you to do it the quick method, right? So what we're going to do is we're going to just get rid of this, and we're going to, actually we can just start a new scene. We're just going to Control N, and do I want to start over? Yes. Do I need this guy? No, I don't. There you go. Now what we're going to do is we're going to go to a program called Inkscape, and that is completely free. You can download it. There's a full version. It's open source, so no worries, right? So let me just start that. And there you go. And I'll put a link below so you can find where to download it. And then we're going to go up to File, and we're going to go to Import, and we're going to go to my desktop and look for the letter H here, JPEG file. There you go. That's the one we use in that video. We're going to click on OK, and we're going to drag it onto our canvas here. Come on. And there you go. Now what we're going to do once that's in place is we're going to go up here to I think it's under Object or Path, right? We're going to go to Trace Bitmap, and when you do that, as soon as we click on this guy, you'll see it showing up right here. You can play with the settings, you can go up and down and update preview, but in this case it wouldn't change a lot, right? This looks okay to me, so we're going to click on Apply. That's how simple that is, right? And now you can have two versions of the letter H. One is the JPEG that we had, and the other is the SVG, okay? Now what we're going to do is we're going to go up here, we're going to go to File, we're going to go to Save As, and of course you want to save it as an SVG, right? Now I'm going to call it Drawing 2, let's save that, and now we're all done. And now the only thing I have to do is go back to Plasticity. Here we are, we're going to go up, we're going to go to Import Append, Drawing 2, that's the one we created, click on OK, here it is. And now, because an SVG file is made out of curves, you can extrude this straight up, right? So we're going to go to face mode. Let's click on OK first for the import. And we're going to click on these faces, hold on Shift, select that, and we're going to pull this up. We're going to go and hide our curves. We're going to hide the lines in the back. We're going to click on OK. And we're all done. So literally in seconds, right? So that's the second method you can use, and it's a lot of fun, right? So hopefully you enjoyed the video. If you did, please consider subscribing, and I'll love to see you guys again. Bye.